Intro, welcome to Ride-MXO, your destination for powerful automotive stories. Today, we explore the American Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado, a legendary SUV reborn for modern adventure, heritage of strength. The Land Cruiser 250 Prado continues the legacy of durability and off-road mastery. Toyota brings this iconic nameplate back to America with a focus on reliability, capability, and timeless design. Its return marks a new era for adventure lovers. Bold exterior design, the SUV features a muscular, squared-off silhouette inspired by classic Land Cruisers. Strong body lines, round or rectangular LED lights, and rugged proportions give it a commanding presence on any terrain. It's a blend of retro charm and modern toughness. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser 250 Prado delivers impressive power through a turbocharged hybrid setup. This combination boosts efficiency while providing solid torque for off-road climbing and towing. Built on the TNGAF platform, it ensures stable handling and unmatched endurance. Advanced interior comfort. Inside, Toyota balances utility with comfort. Premium materials, supportive seating, and an intuitive dashboard enhance the driving experience. The latest Toyota Safety Sense, large infotainment display, and multiple connectivity options bring modern convenience to every journey. Off-road capability, designed for true exploration, the Prado features multi-terrain select, crawl control, and locking differentials. Its robust suspension and ground clearance allow it to conquer dirt trails, rocky paths, and harsh landscapes with confidence. Conclusion: a new era of adventure. The American Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado is built for drivers who want strength, style, and reliability in every mile. With its hybrid power, rugged build, and iconic heritage, it stands ready for the ultimate adventure wherever the road leads.